Hello guys, it's Solo here. Welcome back with another video. So today we have some interesting clips. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.
V17, thank you for subbing.
Together, we will bury them under their transgression.
Mimi's fucking churu.
Nope, I feel that 100%. I wish, man.
I wish we could turn it into reality.
True,
Go in the
tonight.
room right now. Just a
I
little
mean-
69, you know what I'm saying? Just real quick.
Nothing wrong with that. We could do that, to
Take
be
care
honest.
of you, you take care of me, you know what I mean?
Hey, man. Brother for a
Knock
brother.
two birds with one stone, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I didn't know. Right after this meeting.
Yeah, all right.
Alright, we're back.
Sound like a
What?
bro jack.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do it. All right, 6x6. How many tries I get?
We just one.
Just one. Okay, one try.
No pressure.
Okay, okay.
You got it.
6x6. How many? Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna just do it. Just use it.
Yep, just use it.
Just use it.
She just described
Okay, I'm just gonna use it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, guys. You see what I mean, Taco?
Just
Okay, I'm doing it.
there you go.
Down
I got
bad,
it.
man. I wish I was rich. Yes, guys. Oh, guys. Right in my
Fuck
face.
is going on?
It's okay.
I can't do this. Ooh.
Taco, it's not your fault. You're short.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh! Let's go.
Let's go!
Oh my God, you're insane.
Okay,
You're
okay.
better than me.
Thank you,
But did April
guys.
do it?
Thank you. Thank you,
Hell
everyone.
yeah.
Yeah, she did.
They did it first try too.
Okay, take the tray then. Fuck it, take the tray.
Good shit.
Or Hachu, you want to take the tray?
Oh, come in, Hachu.
I had to go back through half of my current unbanned forms just because this is
Is that
all the stuff from the
5,000
Digion stuff.
pages?
Oh, 5,000 unbanned forms, but we've deleted a lot. It's been up to like 15,000 before.
Oh, 15,000 bans.
Not bans.
people requesting
Only
to be
people.
unbanned.
Yes. So this is all the people from like the recent
gosh.
hate wave, legit. Pages and pages and pages and pages.
Who?
I know, like so many, and these are only the people that request an unban. So you can only imagine how many people were just
Yeah, just
coming in the chat just to get.
banned.
Imagine the hottest girl ever, okay? And you finally get to hook up with her, okay? And she pulls down her trousers.
You eat her pussy?
Wrong. She pulls down her trousers and it's like a 10-inch dick, okay?
Okay.
And she puts it in your mouth and just loads you up with cum. It's that good. It's a dream.
We're gonna go to the gym tonight, and you're welcome to join.
Let's get thick, baby.
I'll think about. I'm sorry.
You're just a Staten Island dump. That's what you are.
Do not call me a fucking Staten Island dump, you
I'm gonna-
dumbass.
no,
I
I'm
swear
not
to
a
fucking
dumbass.
God.
Yo,
If
you-
you move,
you
no,
fucked
no,
us
no,
all
no, no,
up.
no, no, no. This is not what we're gonna do. This is
You were
not what
straight
we're
from the
doing.
Hudson River. I'm gonna send you back.
Not even
catfish.
fucking say I'm from the Hudson
You
River. I didn't even
catfished me.
live near
You
there.
catfished
I didn't
me.
catfish you. You catfished me. I thought you were funny. What the fuck is this?
What the?
Like, I told Tony, he's like, hey man, like, my friend wants this song played. Can you, like, you don't, like, no pressure. If you can't do it, no problem. I was kind of trying to hint at, like, please don't play this fucking song. And then later on, if I remember events correctly, I'm pretty sure Tony did a shout out for me on the mic, and then the DJ then played the song. Okay? But I'm pretty sure he did a shout out and pointed at me or some shit, because literally everyone at the club like looked at me and they were just like, because Justin Bieber's Sorry went on while everyone was like glaring at me, and I was like, why is this 40-year-old Asian man requesting Sorry at Terracotta? What the fuck? So I'm just like, haha, thanks.
What's our plan this time?
Hey, man,
around, just so
where
I
is
know
this?
For my personal
We're gonna check the doors down here. X is
Sup?
gonna be the door next to the
You
cellar,
okay?
and then
I'm
if
okay,
those
man. What about you, man?
theories
You
are
doing all right?
false, we can then
I just saw
fail
it.
on that, and then try the other theory with the.
All right, brother. I have a grip on, all right, man?
You do, sir.
You got it. Ah, he's dead. Hey, brother.
Yeah.
Wrong place, wrong time. It is what it is.
Oh, 78 mark.
Just 4 times.
Lines
and we
up,
checked every door.
I don't think I've ever stayed up longer than 24 hours. That'd be very bad for your health, but do it. Thanks, wow. Can you stream earlier? LOL. Well, lucky for you, if I do a 48-hour stream, I'll be here for the entire 48 hours. Bum 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 bum. Burr, thanks for the 12 months.
Is this 13 by 9 inches?
Yes. I've taken 9 inches before, that's about right. Sorry, I really had to. I think so. Wait, I know this glass looks.
Wait, you guys are reacting to this way more than I am. Dow? Like Dow Jones? Leaked Blizzard new IP? Okay.
Next post. The last soy bender.
Water. Earth. Fire. Air. Long ago, the 4 nations lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the Avatar, master of all 4 elements, could stop them. But when the world needed him most, he vanished. 100 years passed and my brother and I discovered the new Avatar, an airbender named Aang. And although his airbending skills are great, he has a lot to learn before he's ready to save anyone. But I believe Aang can save the world.
That's a little weird.
If this is the music you play while playing League, I understand why you lose.
I'm gonna play
Minus
off stream.
5 liters.
Fuck this.
Wait. Laser, put on the green screen. Miz, stand up. You guys should hug each other. Like, Laser can hug you in VR. They just have to.
And Sakina has to watch.
Yeah, Sakina, you have to watch. Laser, you're gonna have to face towards away. Yeah. All right, Miz. Laser, you have to face the other way. Obviously, that's the only way this is gonna work. Okay, perfect. But you guys are so fucking dumb. Like, what are you doing? You're literally. Oh my god. Laser. Okay, Miz.